Hey friends, if you want to know how you can fix Valorant timeout error, something unusual has happened and it is taking longer to load, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So while playing the Valorant game and you encounter this error, then the following fixes will surely help you fix the problem. So first is you need to look for your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click on that, select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Then here in the Valorant Properties, you have different tabs: General, Shortcut, Compatibility, and Digital Signatures. Click on the third tab, the Compatibility tab, and you have this option: Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Just simply check this box. Choose the latest Windows, which is Windows 8. And also check this box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator, and then click on Apply and then click on OK, and then try launching your Valorant application again. Next method is we need to press the Windows key and R button together to open the Run window. Here you need to type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Then here in the list of network connections, you need to look for your Wi-Fi, the one that you are connected with. Right click on that, select Properties. Then here in the Wi-Fi Properties window, you need to look for the Internet Protocol version 4 or the IPv4. This one, double click on that. Another window will appear, the IPv4 Properties. Now you need to click this box for use the following DNS server addresses. We are going to use the Google's DNS server. So for the preferred DNS server, it should be 8.8.8.8. Now you are just going to type the numbers as the dots are already given in each boxes. For the alternate, it should be 8.8.4.4. Then you need to click on OK. OK once again, and then close this window and just restart your computer to see if the problem has been fixed. Next method is we need to run some commands in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Command prompt will appear under the best match, and on the right pane, you have this option Run as Administrator, the second option. You need to click on that. Then this window will appear, the block window. You just need to follow me for the commands. First command, we need to type NATSH space INT space IP space reset space reset dot log. It's not dot log, it's reset log dot txt. Again, the first command is NATSH space INT space IP space reset log dot txt. This one, the first command, and hit on enter. The second command is NATSH space winsock space reset and hit on enter. And the last command is we need to flush the DNS, so we need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter. Now it will state that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Just type EXIT and hit on enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, the problem will be fixed. But if in some cases the problem is still there, the problem is still existing, then click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane, you need to click on network and internet. Scroll down to advanced network settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll find network reset. Click on this. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So click on reset now. And once you click on yes, then your PC will be restarted, and then see if the problem has been fixed. So with all the solutions given, I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.